Did you know you might be ingesting plastic from your pan every day? One scratch. 9,000 Teflon flakes in your omelet, says a Sydney lab study from Flinders University.
Deeper gouge? 2.3 million bits.
Teflon equals PFAS, forever chemicals.
CDC. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention ran a nationwide blood check. 97% of people carried PFAS. Almost everyone.
That's terrible. But listen to this. Crank heat past 260 degrees Celsius. White smoke. Birds breathe it and suffocate in minutes.
People get Teflon flu. Fever, chills, coughing.
Long term? Hormones off. Cancer risk suspected.
Ocean researchers even find Teflon specks in wild fish.
Oh yes, those flakes can circle back on your sushi.
Fix. Bin scratched pans.
Absolutely. Medium heat. Wood or silicone tools.
Or cast iron, stainless.
No plastic. Pure flavor.